Hi, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to see how we can order on Zomato using cash on delivery. I'm on Zomato interface here. On my home page, several restaurants whichever are available nearby to me are shown here. Just go to that restaurant wherever you want to order. I'm looking for a Paradise Biryani which is very famous here at my place, and show it to you how I can order using cash on delivery. So after finding your restaurant from the menu, or you can search here for your restaurant, just my restaurant is available here, Paradise Restaurant. I would like to order a biryani here from this restaurant. So I'm looking for some chicken biryani, which is Nizami chicken biryani. So 1 to 2, 389 rupees. It's recommended also because I have already ordered previously. So I have added my biryani to my cart. So Zomato cart is having one chicken biryani for 389 rupees. Now I have to order this item. Just go ahead with view cart. Will give you an option to check for offers also here. Just get on the offers, and some kind of offers are always available on these food apps. Just grab it. I have added some promo code which is given me 120 rupees extra discount, and after that my main motto is to show you how I can order using cash on delivery. So now this will be the main crucial part. See, if you observe here on my left side, extreme left down below, it is the payment mode. So just click on this one. After clicking, it will show you several credit cards which are added already to the Zomato, and UPI payments, wallets, net banking, pay later, and finally at the end this is cash on delivery. This is cash on delivery. Just click on that one. Automatically your cash on delivery order will be placed once you click this place order, and your Zomato order will be available to you at your home within the stipulated time. That's so simple. One more time I'll show it to you. Just open your Zomato app. Upon opening, just select your restaurant, and after going to the restaurant, straight away add whatever the item you want, and it will be added to your cart. Click on the cart. After clicking the cart, just go to left side on your down below, click on this. It will show you all the payment options available. Just scroll down. At the end you will have pay on cash on delivery. Just click on that one. After clicking, this will be selected for cash on delivery. Just place order, and before to that one, don't forget to press your promo code if it is available, then place order. That's all. It's so simple, right? So order using cash on delivery. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share so that someone else will also get benefited because of this video. Thank you.